Court is calling 2022 CR 1156, State of Texas versus Isaiah Gibson. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, hand, Your Honor.
Defense?
James Seeloff for the defendant, Your Honor.
Are you Isaiah Gibson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation, this is an application.
Thank you.
Counsel?
Deferred. And it's, we're asking the court to waive PSI. The state recommends.
All right, just a second.
Okay.
Counsel, have you received all the
Right from the jump, this isn't just another routine court call. This is where lives can quietly change forever. A plea hearing might sound simple, but every yes you're about to hear, that's someone giving up major constitutional rights. So hey, race the real question. Does he truly understand what's at stake, or is he just going along with the system?
discovery, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
All right. Mr. Gibson, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, you said this was an application for deferred as well?
This is a deferred adjudication recommended by the state, part of the plea bargain. I just wanted to let you know.
All right, thank you. I see where you hand wrote that. All
Because
right.
you don't have a phone.
We need an
deferred.
application for deferred
Or
adjudication.
don't you grant deferred? Is that why you don't have?
All right, they're printing some more. Oh, no, you can just ask other people in the courtroom. Yes, we give deferreds in this courtroom. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
on both counts? Let me see. It doesn't say.
We're going to go to one count line, Judge. I'm assuming that's what defense counsel was out with.
We talked about it.
All right. Any objection to the waiver of count two?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gibson, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense in count one of theft of a vehicle, $30,000 to $150,000
Yes, ma'am.
as a third-degree felony?
Yes, ma'am.
Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Now this is a big moment. Deferred adjudication sounds like a win, and sometimes it is, but don't get it twisted. It's basically the court saying we won't convict you yet. One mistake, one violation, and boom, you're facing the full sentence. So ask yourself, would you take that risk for a second chance?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent, was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he is.
Mr. Gibson, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution, if any, to Home Depot located at 5638 West Loop 1604, San Antonio 78251. There is to be cats 1 and 2, and there's to be, well, the court will probably order no contact with Home Depot. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea?
That's our plea.
State is at the plea.
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
This is it. If she follows the plea bargain, you can appeal.
Yes.
You understand that?
Yes.
We'll
Yes,
go
ma'am.
over that.
All right, council, have there been any such motions?
No.
Showing you outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years.
Let's pause right here because this is the reality check. 2 to 10 years, that's not a slap on the wrist, that's serious prison time, and the judge is making it crystal clear even with a plea deal nothing is guaranteed, so the tension builds. Will the court follow the deal or go harder?
Be a TAP evaluation and no contact with the Home Depot at 5638 West Loop 1604. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
To count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with office attachments.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor. Part of the plea bargain is they're going to dismiss a misdemeanor case. I don't know if the court read off the number, but
It's not in here.
It's a dismissal, and I believe prosecutor is going to give it to you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Am I right?
Yes, it's just not on the plea bargain agreement, so the judge will not know about it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No problem. All right, state, you may continue to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
Going to show you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses? There'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
All right. So why are you taking what does not belong to you?
I was homeless, and it was an opportunity for me to get some money, a payment, and I just didn't know what to do at the time. And I'm just owning up to my mistakes, Your Honor.
How old are you?
26.
All right. Being homeless doesn't give you the excuse or pass to commit crimes. Because if that's the case, then everybody can be homeless and everybody who's homeless can say, oh yeah, I robbed a bank. I'm homeless. And I'm admitting that I robbed a bank. Excuse me and forgive me because I'm homeless. That's not an excuse to commit crime. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There are laws. So do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
I have a 7-year-old, 1-year-old, and I have kids on the way.
So you have children on the way?
Yes, ma'am.
Perhaps twins.
All right. And how long have you been homeless?
That was back in 2020. I'm no longer homeless anymore.
Why would you, and this is just a question that I want answered because I'm always curious. And I think if you're in the legal field, you need to be curious. Why would you continue to have children when you're not stable? For example, you have a 7-year-old, a 1-year-old, and now you say you have children on the way. Why would you bring other children into this world and do activities that will result in children being brought in this world and you don't even have your life together?
That's just my mistake, Your Honor. I mean,
It's not a mistake. Those are choices. People choose to do whatever activities they do. So I'm trying to figure out why people keep doing activities or not being responsible in the activities that they do and bringing children in this world that they're not prepared to raise. Do you understand that taxpayers are tired of taking care of other people's children?
Yes, ma'am.
So these children that you're about to have, if you do daycare and you're getting, you don't have to pay the full price of daycare. You know why you don't? Because taxpayers are paying for it, not you. If you get housing and you're really supposed to be paying $2,500 a month and you're really paying $34 a month, you know who's picking up that tab? Taxpayers. Taxpayers are tired of doing that. And you're old enough to know better and you're old enough to know where children come from. So why would you be irresponsible, make a choice to have these children and you're not taking care of them?
Well, I am taking care of my 1-year-old son I have now. And that was 2-3 years ago when I wasn't with my other mother of my child.
So how many mothers of children do you have?
It's just 2.
All right. So while you're out there homeless, who was paying for your child to eat?
Well,
Think about that. because a 7-year-old, a 1-year-old,
And here it is, the human side of the story. He says he was homeless, desperate, out of options, but in a courtroom that explanation doesn't erase the crime. This is where emotion and law collide. So what do you think? Should desperation ever justify breaking the law?
you can't just put them at Travis Park and say, well, I've helped create you, go forth, hunt for yourself. So when you're homeless, and when you're saying, I can't get my life together, who is providing diapers for your children? Because I know people don't do cotton anymore because people think that's beneath them. But when you can't afford the Pampers or whatever, you should go back to cotton. So when you're homeless and not doing anything, who's supporting your children? Because it wasn't you.
At the time, it was the mother of my child. You know?
Yeah.
And
And so when you have children, you can't fall down on your job because they can't financially support themselves. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, since this has happened, he has been employed, and he assures me that he's employable once he's released.
All right. And why were you homeless?
Well, I just didn't want to go back home, and I couldn't find a good job because I lost my ID, and I just couldn't find the money to go get a new ID.
So you'd rather be homeless than go back home.
No, my mom wasn't allowing me to go back home.
All right. And how old were you?
I was 23 at the time.
All right. Is your mom a good mom?
Yes, ma'am.
So she probably wasn't allowing you to go back home because you don't want to follow her rules. And I always tell people, when you go back home to live with your mom, you're not an adult because you're not paying for the roof that's over your head and you're not paying for food. And I'm sure your mom probably was saying, I'm not going to have a grown man just living at my house doing nothing. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
How far did you go in school?
I graduated high school.
And what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I was planning on getting my CDL and driving trucks because I have a cousin who has his own trucking company, and I wanted to drive trucks with him.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 8 years deferred adjudication. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. There's restitution to Home Depot, if any. And that's the Home Depot located at 5638 West Loop, 1604, 78251. And there's to be no contact with Home Depot. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes parenting classes, the court will allow him 50 hours to be subtracted from the 200 hours. And I'm going to order that you're in some type of trade school. So if you want to get your CDL license, you can. Once that is done, then the remaining of the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits, 1 time per month until further notice. They want you to do cats 1 and 2. You have all these children that you need to take care and hopefully you can spend some time with. Here's my cats 1 and 2. Don't take what doesn't belong to you. If you rent a vehicle or rent property, you need to return it when it says it's due in the contract. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
I would like to get a new ID, but I still have to renew my license as well.
All right, so you'll have to do that. If you tell probation about that, they'll give you the steps that you need in order to do that.
Yes, ma'am.
But what I can tell you, I've recently had my license renewed, and guess what? You got to make an appointment. And they're going to want your birth certificate or either passport. And if you don't have those, they will give you a temporary ID and make you pay the $33 for it. And guess what? It's only good for 2 weeks.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Do better.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I appreciate it. May I be excused?
Yes.
Good luck, okay?
Court is calling 2023 CR 8957, State of Texas versus Justin Gamboa. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? For the state, that's okay. For the defense?
David Rodriguez for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Gamboa?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Gamboa, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Counsel, are you waiving the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Well, the tone just shifted hard. This isn't just sentencing anymore. This is a full-on life lecture. The judge is stepping beyond the crime and digging into personal responsibility, choices, and consequences. Some people will say this is necessary, tough love. Others might say it crosses a line. What's your take?
Yes.
All right, did you understand you're charged with the offense of terroristic threat peace officer? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Did you?
Yes.
All right. And did you understand by giving up those rights, you're asking that the court proceed with your plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
And are you intending to give up those rights and proceed with the plea in this case?
No.
Yes.
Oh, yes, ma'am. I'm so sorry.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gamboa, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
I'm sorry. Who was?
Are you with us today?
Yes, I'm so sorry.
All right. Are you having a problem following along?
No, ma'am.
All right. Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes. Yes, a U.S. citizen.
Okay. Do you think there's an issue here?
I really don't. I mean, we were able to talk. He was able to tell me about what happened, and
Has anyone threatened you,
No, ma'am.
coerced you,
No, ma'am.
or forced you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
All right. The court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure everything is okay here? Or is he just responding slow?
No, I'm probably just responding slow, but I'm understanding.
Okay. According to the plea bargaining agreement, your punishment is to be assessed at 120 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all its attachments.
No objection.
All right, Mr. Gamboa, I'm showing you the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney?
Did I review that with my attorney? Yes.
All right, and did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state is not going to call any witnesses to testify? That
yes.
they're, all right. And did you understand that they're going to be using the police reports to prove their case?
Yes.
And so you understand nobody's coming in to testify?
Yes.
All right. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Gamboa, I understand that a lot of times people want to rush through cases. Like attorneys are like, we're ready to go. Not you. But when people are not before me, attorneys are like, Judge, move it along. We're ready to go. But I'm reading things in this report. One, he has the machete. They say usually he has a machete. Is there some mental health issues going on here? Is there homelessness? What is the issue?
You're homeless, right?
Yes. I've been homeless for quite a few years.
All right. So have you ever been diagnosed with any type of mental health issues?
No, I haven't been diagnosed yet, but no, I was hoping to go to Haven so I could get some psychiatric help or counseling.
All right. So I know you've been here for a while, but I have some slight concerns with him saying he's never had any mental health treatment, but he's hoping to go for Haven for Hope and get some psychiatric medications. And then in the police report, I have this issue with him walking around with a machete. And I understand that sometimes when people are homeless, they want to use certain things for protection. So we're not going to send you back. We're going to try to solve this issue that we have. And if you all, after considering all of those things, you still believe he's competent and he still wants to go with this plea, I'll accept it. But if there's something else that can be done so he doesn't come back here again, because what I see happening is I can give him the 120 days and he'll probably be back here with another judge, another prosecutor, another attorney for some other offense. So if y'all want to confirm that, and we'll bring y'all back at 1:30. Okay, let's do that. All right, these cases are done. Those are done. Okay, and everyone, I apologize, but I need to take a break. Everybody needs to take a break. It's noontime, so we'll be back at 1:30. And I need to make sure the staff and everybody eats before I get accused. We're going to go back on the record in 2023 CR 8957, State of Texas versus Justin Gamboa. We're going to have parties re-announced for the record for the state.
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
For the defense.
David Rodriguez for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Gamboa?
Yes.
All right. We were in the middle of the plea. The court had already accepted into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court had some concerns with regards to mental health issues, if there were any, if the defendant was competent or not competent. Defense, have you had a chance to speak with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
All right. And are you prepared to address those issues on the record?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You may proceed.
Your Honor, would you like to read you the student testimony or from him, or
whichever way you wish to proceed?
I'll just give a report. Your Honor, I have talked to Mr. Gamboa, and I'm completely satisfied that he understands what the charges are against him. He has been able to assist me in his defense. I believe he is mentally competent to take this case today.
All right. Thank you. Any questions or concerns from the state?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gamboa, if the court follows this agreement, what are your plans?
My plans, just if Haven, those are my plans.
Haven for Hope? Do you have any family members here?
Yes, I got them if I comes.
All right, when I say family members here, I don't mean at the courthouse at 300 Dolorosa. I mean, do you have a mom, dad, brother, sisters here in San Antonio?
Yes. Okay.
Are you in contact with them or no?
Any contact? No, I haven't had any contact with them in a few weeks.
All right. Is that few weeks because you've been in custody or for some other reason?
In custody, yes. Basically, yes.
All right. So when you're not in custody, when's the last time you had contact with them?
I'd say a week before I got the week before I got arrested.
All right, why are you homeless?
My mom, she kicked me out of her home, so and from there I just had been struggling. I mean, I just been walking out in the streets. I could have been over at Haven, could have been at Haven, but I just I was just having fun.
All right. Do you have children?
Yes, I have a son. He doesn't live here in San Antonio. He lives in McAllen, Texas.
All right. All right. Anything else from either side?
Nothing comfortable.
Nothing to say, Your Honor.
All right. I'll follow your plea bargain agreement. The court will sentence you to 120 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
And there it is, the final decision: 8 years deferred adjudication, not prison, but definitely not freedom either. This is the system giving him one last shot, but with a long leash and serious conditions attached. Now the real story begins: redemption or repeat.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. You had better start making your plans. Otherwise, it's not going to go well for you in this society. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Have a great rest of your day.